I see patients every day. Some of them have spent thousands of dollars going to dermatologists, medical professionals, and doctors, and I often hear the same thing. One, the doctor never touched my hair, never looked at my follicle. They just gave me a diagnosis of male pattern baldness or female pattern baldness. The truth is, hair loss is not a diagnosis. It's a symptom of a problem within the body, and we want to know what the problem is. That can be handled by things like taking labs. It can also be done by looking at the follicle under a trichological scope. It can be done by just talking about nutrition, finding out what your lifestyle habits are, and then I gradually put together a picture and start to develop a solution to it. So if you walk into a doctor's office and they immediately look at you and put you in a box or a bucket, ask more questions, find out what they mean. And if they don't look at the follicle, you're not in the right place. You need someone that's going to actually look at your follicle, find out what's going on, and take the time to talk to you about what's happening in your life. Are you stressed out? Did you have a big change in your life? Are you experiencing things like low ferritin levels, TSH levels that are low? These are all things that are going to contribute ultimately to hair loss. You don't have to know those things, but you certainly want a doctor that's asking those questions. And if they're not, it's time to move on and find someone else that can help you.